In this lecture, we will discuss different events used in client-side scripting. Let's start learning. Open VS Code, and we can use different events in client-side scripting to trigger different functions and methods. We have already discussed one event in previous video, and which is refresh event. This event will trigger the method and functions when we refresh the page or reload the page. Let's see refresh event first. I'm uncommenting this lines, and inside that event I am printing a message hello decoding from refresh event. So this event will trigger this message when we refresh or reload the page. Let me save this and open web application. Now we are in client side scripting document. Reload the page. Let's add a client side scripting document. Here we can see the message hello decoding from refresh event. If you refresh it again, we can see the message again. Our next event is onload event, and the onload event will trigger the method and function when we load the page. Let's see onload event. I'm commenting refresh event and save this. Here I am printing the message hello decoding from onload event. Go to client side scripting list view, reload the page, add a client side scripting document. Here we can see hello decoding from onload event, and if I add something here, then save this. Now the page is refreshed and we can't see the message hello decoding from onload event because the onload event will trigger only when we load the page. If you refresh this page, we can see the message again. Next event is validate event, and this event is used for validating the form, and it will trigger when we save the document. Let's comment onload event and save this. Go to doc type list view, then reload the page. Add a new document. Let's add a name, then save the document. And here we can see an error message hello decoding from validate event, and this event is triggered before saving the document. So if you close this, you can see the status is not saved. Let's comment this validate event, and next event is before save. This will trigger before saving the document, and here also I am throwing an error, and the error won't allow to save the document. Go to client side scripting, then reload the page. Then add a client side scripting. I'm adding a name, and let's save. Here we can see the error message hello decoding from before save event. Here also we can't save the document, and the status is still not saved. Let's comment before save event. Next event is after save event, and this will trigger after saving document into database. Let's see how it is working. Reload the page. Add a client side scripting. Let's add name here and save the document. Here we can see hello decoding from after save event, and the status of this document is in draft. So this document is saved in database, and after saving this document the event is triggered. Let's comment this, and Another important event triggering method is field-based event triggering. Field-based events are triggered when we change values in fields. Let's see how it is working. I'm uncommenting these lines, and here I am triggering a message when we change the status of enable field. We have already created an enable field in document, and this method is triggered when we change the status of that field. Let's save this and open web application. Let's open client-side scripting list, then reload the page. Add a new client-side scripting. This is our enable field. Let's check this box. And here we can see the message hello decodee from enable field name event. If I uncheck this, this will also trigger that message. So this is how we can trigger method or functions based on field changes. I am adding one more field based event triggering, and here I am triggering the message print function when I change the age value field. Let's save this and go to client side scripting, reload the page. Add a new document, then you click on enable. We can see hello decodee from enable event, and if I enter some values in age field, then it also trigger one message hello decodee from age field name event. So this is an important event triggering mechanism, and we will use this in many occasions. Let's comment this field based event triggering methods. We can trigger a method or function when we add a child table row. Let's see how we can use this. Here we have a family members child table, and when we open that child table, we can see the message hello decodee from family member child table rendering event. Let's save this and go to client side scripting list, reload the page. This is our family members child table. I am adding a new row. Then let's open this row. Here we can see hello decodee from family members child table rendered event. So let's close this, and I am opening one more time. Here also we can see the same message. Let's comment this event. Our next event is before submit event, and this event trigger before submitting that form. Our client-side scripting doc type is a submittable type doc type. Let's uncomment this, and I am adding a Frappe throw here. Save this and go to client-side scripting, reload the page. Add a client-side scripting. Adding a name here. Then let's save this. Now we can submit this form. Let's click on submit. It will ask a confirmation message, then press Y. And here we can see our error message hello decodee from before submit event. So this error will trigger before submitting this form, and the status of this form is still in draft. Let's comment this, and next event is on submit event, and this will trigger after submitting that form. Let's save it and go to client side scripting, reload the page. add a client-side scripting, then add a name here, save this, then click on submit. Let's confirm it. And now we successfully submitted our form, and here we can see hello decoded from on submit message. The status is also changed to submitted. We can cancel this form using cancel button, and we can also trigger events in cancellation. Let's see the cancellation events. Let's comment this. Then first one is before cancel event, and this will throw an error before canceling this form. Let's save this and go to client side scripting, reload the page. Let's open the submitted document. Let's cancel using this button. It will ask a confirmation message. Let's click on yes. Here we can see the error throw message hello decoded from before cancel event, and the form is not cancelled yet. Let's comment this and uncomment this after cancel event, and this will trigger after cancelling that form. Go to client side scripting, reload the page. Let's open the submitted document, then click on cancel. Click on yes to confirm. And now we successfully cancelled our document, and here we can see hello decoded from after cancel event, and also we can see the status is cancelled. These are the important events used in client-side scripting. Let's wind up this lecture and see you in the next lecture.